Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and I have another really fabulous Button Farm Club kit to share with you. This one is made with Authentique Paper's delightfully retro ingredient collection, and this is a recipe album. The base for this is a Prima magnetic Dossier. This thing is huge. It is 6 by 9 by 3, and I've decorated it all up. I'll just show you very quickly what comes with the kit. You're going to get 24 double-sided 12 by 12 papers plus the 12 by 12 cardstock stickers. You're going to get 6 really charming clear scraps chipboard pieces. 3 are kitchen utensils and 3 are baking utensils. You're going to get these darling metal charms. You're going to get these velvet flowers, which are so perfectly retro, and these sweet pearl and rhinestone buttons. You're going to get the album, of course, this beautiful black and ivory taffeta bow. And here's the spine where I've decorated up some more of these really cute utensils. Little twine bow, little vegetable peeler, and as you can see, the colors in this are just so cheerful and fun. This is a massive album. It's a trifold. Over here, you'll learn how to create this pocket with these fun inserts. On this side is another large pocket, and this is a really fun feature. We're going to build a little folio together with flip out pages, and then a hidden pocket with 2 inserts. So look how fun. This is just the most fun collection. I had such a blast working with it. So this just goes in here and holds those 2 insert pages together. So then this folds out yet again. Decorated spine. Over here on the right, we use product packaging to create this really large, deep side pocket. Cute little pocket here for these little embellishments. And then inside, 2 more really fabulous folios. And the recipe cards are part of the paper collection, which is so fun. So this is pretty and practical. And I just think it's a perfect Mother's Day gift. It would make a great bridal shower gift. If you have heritage recipes that you've been wanting to get put into a format to preserve them, you can certainly do that. These pockets will hold standard size recipe cards, and then these just tuck back in here. But then the heart of this project is this massive waterfall feature. This has 12 double-sided pages, 5 3/4 by 4, and you're going to learn all kinds of different techniques to make not just your average waterfall feature. Super fun. Flips, flaps, hidden pockets, turnout pages, gatefold pages, tuck spots. I mean, everything you can possibly imagine I've built into this. So it's just really fun. Little belly bands that you can tuck recipes back behind, fold up pages. The patterns in this collection are just so fun, and it's really, really beautiful. It's got a really fun kitschy kitchen feel, which I think is a blast. And these little cows just crack me up. So, and then at the bottom, there's another pocket that will hold 3 by 5 index cards. I had some extra cardstock, so I just cut it to fit in here. But that is the project. You can get it from the Button Farm Club. I will list the link below so you can get your order in. This is a limited edition, so if you think you want it, you'd better grab it. These go really fast. Oh, and I forgot to show you, even this is decorated. So super cute, could be part of your kitchen decor, beauty and brains, all in one beautiful little package. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm gonna go get my craft on. Bye.